Micah G. Almazan, but you can call me Mom Cham. We are going to have a fabulous school year full of fun and learning. Sit back, relax, and listen attentively. So before we formally start our lesson for today, may I request everyone to please bow down their head and feel the presence of the Lord. Dear God, thank you for your unconditional love. Thank you for guiding and protecting us every day. Thank you for looking after our school and bestowing unto us the gift of life. Forgive each every one of us and help us to learn and share together so that this wonderful word you have made become more beautiful every day. Amen.
Our topic for today is all about nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to evaluate the expression b squared minus 4ac given the value of a, b, and c. And also, you will be able to determine the nature of roots of the quadratic equations using the discriminant. In the quadratic formula, x is equal to negative plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. The radicand is b squared minus 4ac. Yan yung tinatawag nating discriminant. Okay, let's take a look at this table. So, discriminant, if the value of d is greater than 0 and it is a perfect square, then the nature of roots is real, rational, and unequal roots. If the value of d or yung nakuha mong value ng discriminant is greater than 0 but not a perfect square, then the nature of roots is real, irrational, and unequal roots. But if the value of the discriminant is equal to 0, the nature of root is real, rational, and equal roots. And then if the discriminant is less than 0, then the nature of root is no real roots. Okay, let's take a look at this example. We have here x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. First, we need to determine the value of a, the value of b, and the value of c. The value of a here is equal to 1, and the value of b is equal to negative 4, and the value of c is equal to positive 4. Okay, using the formula ng discriminant na b squared minus 4ac, substitute lang po natin yung value ng b, yung value ng a, and the value of c. So we have here the square of negative 4 minus negative 4 times 1 times 4. So square of negative 4 is 16, and negative 4 times 1 is equal to negative 4, and negative 4 times 4 is equal to negative 16. Negative 16 or positive 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So tignan lang natin dito sa table, since the value of d is equal to 0, then the nature of roots here is real, rational, and equal roots. Okay, now let's proceed to example number 2. We have here x squared plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, the value of a here is equal to 1, and the value of b here is equal to 3, and the value of c is equal to negative 4. Okay, now next step is all we need to do is to substitute for the value of b, a, and c. So we have here square of 3 minus 4 times 1 times 4. So square of 3 is equal to 9, and negative 4 times 1 is negative 4, and negative 4 times negative 4 is equal to positive 16. So 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. Okay? Since 25 yung nakuha nating value ng discriminant, tignan ngayon natin dito sa table kung ano nga ba yung nature of roots. Okay? greater than 0, and 25 is a perfect square, so dito siya belong. So the nature of roots is real, rational, and unequal roots. Okay? So now let's proceed to example number 3. We have here x squared plus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0. Okay, the value of A is equal to 1, the value of B is equal to positive 8, and the value of C is equal to positive 16. Okay, next step is, all we need to do is to substitute yung mga value ng A, B, and C. Since the formula for finding the discriminant of one equation is B squared minus 4AC. So we have here square of 8 minus negative 4, square of 8 minus 4 times 1 times 16. So the square of 8 is equal to positive 64, and negative 4 times 1 is equal to negative 4 times positive 16 is equal to negative 64. So, 64 minus 64 is equal to 0. So, titignan lang po natin dito sa table kung ano yung nature of roots. Since the value of D is equal to 0, then it is real, rational, and equal roots. Okay, another example, we have here x squared plus 6x plus 12 is equal to 0. The value of A is equal to 1, the value of B is equal to 6, and the value of C is equal to 12. Okay? Substitute lang natin yung value ng A, B, and C. So we have here square of 6 minus 4 times 1 times 12. So square of 6 is equal to 36, and negative 4 times 1 is equal to negative 4 times 12 is equal to negative 48. So 36 minus 48 is equal to negative 12. So the discriminant is less than 0, then the nature of roots here is no real roots or imaginary and unequal. Okay? So now let's proceed to example number 5. We have here 9x squared minus 6x minus 15 is equal to 0. The value of A is equal to 9, the value of B is equal to negative 6, and the value of C is equal to negative 15. Next step is, all we need to do, substitute the value of A, B, and C. So we have here the value of B is equal to square of negative 6, and the value of A is equal to 9, and the value of C is equal to negative 15. So we have square of negative 6 is equal to 36. Negative 4 times 9 is equal to negative 36 times negative 15 is equal to 540. So 36 plus 540 is equal to 576. Okay, 576 is a perfect square. So the nature of roots of this equation is real, rational, and unequal roots. Okay. Another example we have here 2y squared minus 4 times y minus 2 is equal to 12. Okay, first is distribute po muna natin yung negative 4 dito sa may y minus 2. So we have here 2y squared minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 12. Okay, next step is gawin natin ito in standard form. So, lipat natin sa left side si positive 12. Then, the equation ay magiging 2y squared minus 4y plus 8 minus 12 is equal to 0. So, combining like terms, we have here 2y squared minus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. So, since naka-standard form naman na siya, determine na natin yung value ng A, which is positive 2, and the value of B, negative 4, and the value of C is equal to negative 4. So, hanapin na natin yung discriminant using the formula B squared minus 4AC. Substitute lang natin. We have here the square of negative 4 minus 4 times 2 times negative 4. Okay. Square of negative 4 is equal to 16. Negative 4 times 2 is equal to negative 8 times negative 4 is equal to positive 32. So 16 plus 32 is equal to 48. Okay? So let us determine the nature of roots of this equation. Since 48 is not the perfect square, so ang magiging nature of root natin is the discriminant is greater than 0 but not the perfect square. So it is real, irrational, and unequal roots. Okay? So, sa mathematics book ninyo, kindly answer page 39, activity 1, 1 to 5, activity 2, 1 to 10. Kung may mga katanungan pa kayo, may mga hindi kayo naintindihan sa lesson natin, feel free to ask me or mag-chat lang kayo sa GC natin. So, that's all for today. Goodbye and God bless.